Okay, now it's time to start using and looking for a specific IP address. Now, if I open my terminal, if I type ifconfig, you can notice that this is my IP address. So actually, let's increase this font size. Like this, yeah, I think this is better. And you can see that this is my IP address. So I want to filter the packets that being recorded here or being captured here. I want to filter them to only show that these packets have this IP address. Okay. So I want it from here. Apply the display filter ib.adder, and by the way, you can see that it is very elegant. You can see that it will start showing you some suggestions and whatever. So if I click in it, so ib.adder, which is address, equal this IP address, okay, which is this one, my IP address. So if I type enter, okay, and here I want to bing google.com, for example. So if I type bing google.com, you can see that it will start showing all the packets that has this IP address. So here the source is like this, the destination is like this, here the source is like this, the destination is like this. So you can see every packet, even this one, as you can see this one, you can see that it has the IP address that we put it here. Okay, now what if I want to put it depends on the source or destination? How to do that?